Next time you bring gloves and okay.
Sam, that's what we were doing.
Okay.
What?
First the cross we gotta do is get the insurance. Let's get that out.
Can I get these guys?
Yeah, that, how you just gotta like come straight down.
I know, but you're screaming as I'm doing it.
Yeah, we got it though. It's done. Because we were going over. We didn't go over.
Like, you screaming at me makes it take a few seconds longer.
Okay, okay. That means it should have happened a few seconds earlier. It was a good show for everyone on the deck watching the swimmers.
They must have loved it.
Yeah, they love that.